Hello, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and I'd like to thank you for checking out my YouTube channel and for watching this video. If you would, when the video's over, if you liked what I was talking about and you got some value out of that, I would really appreciate a thumbs up for liking the video. And if you would, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Um, Most of my videos that I do are in the affiliate marketing area, network marketing, lead generation, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. That's mainly what I like to deal with, actually, affiliate marketing, selling other people's products. But I've really lately, probably the last 6 or 7 months, I've really been in hard with the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. It's just I really like it. I love the platforms that I'm in. The one I'm going to talk to you about today is probably, well, it is, excuse me, the most stable um, business that I'm in right now. I mean, this is one where I never worry about anything with this one. I really never have. It's always there. It's always working. They never had any issues. Um, I believe they've been around since probably 14 or 15 months. Today is December 28th, 2019, and I personally have been in there since May of this year. And but I believe it's been 14 or 15 months that they've been around with no issues. This is where you can bring any business opportunity you have, put your websites on there. I think you can do like 5 or 6. I'll show you in just a second. You can put banners. It's a great advertising site. They have login ads where you'll see in just a second when I log in, an ad will come up, and those are very powerful. Those are very powerful. And this is they also have a trading platform on here you can get involved with. I personally am not involved with that. I just come in here and buy platinum ad packs, which you can get for the right each $5 each, and you make between 1 to 1.25% daily on that ad pack. So the more ad packs you have, the more you will make. So and the more ad packs you have, the more credits you get to advertise your websites, put up your banners or your login ads, whichever you prefer. And let me go ahead and take you to that platform right now. Like I said, it's the most stable platform that I've maybe ever been around. It's really, I go to bed at night, don't have anything to worry about with my passive trades. great, great website. I've actually worked with this guy in the past, Darren Bradbury. We were in another business together. But here's where you can earn passively every day up to 1.25% daily with a sustainable plan and a real trading proof. We provide all members with a fantastic way to gain more traffic and ultimately more business while at the same time providing a passive income stream from our very sustainable and proven trading activities, which are mirrored through our free trading signal service, provided complete transparency and a track record for you to follow. You can also earn a great big commissions through our unique affiliate system inside of our trading school. This is this is what you want to read over first when you get in here, and the referral commissions are great also. We provide an amazing referral commission plan across 2 levels. Level 1 is 8%, and level 2 is 3% on every sale in our passive trades plan. In our trading school, commissions start at 50%. That's pretty amazing. But here's everything they have here, guys. Login ads, PPC ads, text ads, 2 level deep referral plan, which I just talked about, banner ads, rotating ads, PPP ads, and email marketing. So here's what you're going to do. When you first come in here, if you're not, of course, if you're not a member, you're going to hit register. It takes about a minute to register, and then you're going to hit login. Now, here's what happens. You're going to see a login ad here. This is a little information you're going to read, and there's a couple videos you can watch. Then you just hit OK, and it'll bypass that. Actually, I didn't get a login ad. I'm not sure why that happened. But I'm going to go ahead and log in. And if you're just wanting to do the ad packs like I do. Here we go. Here's the login ad right here. I'm sorry. If you just want to do ad packs like I do, I'm going to take you there right now. They're platinum ad packs for $5 each. Um, okay. Here's the account information. Total ad packs in silver and gold, $130. They just switched over to platinum ad packs just the other day. That's what that message was about to begin with. They just everything's really still just the same. They just changed the name of it to platinum ad packs. But what you're going to do first, you're going to fund your wallet, um, deposit money. Very simple. If you're in here, you pretty much know probably how to fund your wallet. You're just going to put the amount you want to fund with, however many ad packs you want to start with. And you can do Bitcoin or Perfect Money. Hit Bitcoin, and it brings up, you can do the little scan bar where you can take your phone and scan it. And then what I usually do, you could use Coinbase. I have used Coinbase in the past, but the one I use is a Bread Wallet. And what I do is I'll go ahead and get Bread Wallet ready to send. And then when this one I get up, I go ahead and take my phone, scan hit the scan thing, and then it lights it up. And then I just more or less hit send. And a few minutes later, my money's in here. And then what I'm going to do after it's in my wallet, probably give it about 15 minutes, sometimes longer, sometimes less. What I would do is go to Platinum Ad Packs, buy Platinum Ad Packs. These are so easy to do. And all you're going to do is remember, they're $5 each. Put the amount you want, like five, and then you're going to hit like however you want to pay. Like right now, I could almost get one. Um, Probably get one by tomorrow. I'll get one by tomorrow. And if I want to just use what I have in there, I'd hit Bitcoin or whichever one you want to use, hit that and say purchase ad pack. And then it'll ask you, are you sure? Do you want to? And you'll hit OK. And it's just like that. It's that simple, that fast. And then here's where you're going to go to put your websites up, add websites right here. See right up here, you're going to have a few text ads from people. Okay. And this all you would do. Yes, 5 websites are allowed. Website name, it's just a name you want to give it. Website title, it's still really just a name you want to give it. And then you put the URL that you want where everybody to go to. Select global rotator, 15-second timer, and what days you want to do that, and assign the credits, however many credits you want, and just put a 0 here if you don't want to limit your credits. You just want it to go. Check the box here and hit add websites, and you're good to go. And you can do 5 of those, 5 websites, and banner ads, text ads right in here. And here's the referral program, your referrals, and here's promotional tools. Here's going to be where your referral link will be right here, and all these splash pages and banners right here for if you've got a place that you'd like to advertise this, all right back here. And we also have a Facebook group, great Facebook group, guys. Account overview. It's running a little slow tonight, guys, because of the software I'm running. And you got video tutorials. And then here's where you can surf ads if you want to get more credits. It's not even required. You do not even have to surf ads in here. Like most places require you to surf so many ads to build credits. It is not required here. So right here is going to be your timer. Let this run down. And just match the one there. It's that one there. Then I'm going to go back to dashboard. Maybe. There we go. Testimonials or support. And that is pretty much, here's a trading school. I'm sorry. Buy position, in trading school. There's supposed to be some good stuff back here, guys. I've like I said, I'm not involved with this. I may never be, but you can get pretty. I'm not gonna say one-on-one, but you can get some good training back here. I hear it's really good. Um, Position cost $99.99, payout 33 times 3. Like I said, you can get in here, and if you're interested in the trading school, there's going to be more information. And you can get a lot of information in the Facebook group. But like I said, I just go with the Platinum Ad Packs, and you can build a really good passive income, guys, just from these ad packs. If you got enough of them, there's some people in here that are some people in here damn near making a living off of their ad packs that they got on what they make on a daily basis. That's how many ad packs they've got. So it can be done, and it's being done in here. And like I said, this is a very stable company, and the owner he's always doing Facebook lives. He's also always doing Zooms. He's doing interviews. He's very transparent, very honest. I've worked with him in the past, and you would love this company, love this group. This is somewhere you can come, put some money in some ad packs, and rest good at night. I promise you. So, with that being said, guys, I'm in the link below this video. I'm gonna have a link where you can come in here and you can actually come in here for free to join. And highly advise you to go ahead and buy some ad packs to see how that works. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, below in there, I'm going to have a link, which is going to actually be a video with the CEO, Darren Bradbury, actually talking about my passive trades. So be looking for that. And like I said, if you have any questions, you can find me here on Facebook, send me a message or a friend request. And also, you can comment below this video, and I will see the comment there. But go ahead and hit the link, guys, and join and let's get this going, and let me show you how you can make some good passive income. So you guys have a great day and a really great rest of the weekend. Take care now, and we will talk to you later. Bye bye.